Hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is gorgeous.
Hey y'all, so I'm first starting off with a wig cap on my head because my hair is looking cray, but I'm going to be using this wig that I made using ISEEHAIR Mongolian Kinky Curly, and I did a video all about this hair, so click this link right here for more information. But I'm just going to go ahead and slap that bad boy onto my head. No particular way of doing this since you're going to be covering it with the head wrap, so it really don't matter. But next, I'm just taking some bobby pins and I'm going to pin the back of my head. And I'm doing this because when putting the hair up into a head wrap, it's easy for the wig to slip and slide all over the place. So I just want to make sure that that's nice and secure. And then next, I'm just going to take my elastic. I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail, a high pony, just for now, just to get it out of the way as I'm putting my hair into the head wrap. And then this is what we're working with. I'm just going to pull a few strands out just so I can have like a nice little natural carefree look. I added a little hair on the side for a little bang look, real cute. So next I'm taking this piece of fabric that I got from my local fabric store. This is a yard and I ended up cutting it into a triangle. Boom, it only cost me about 10 bucks. So if you're in need of a head wrap, girl, just go to your fabric store, okay? But I'm just going to go ahead and tie that around my hair. And then once the head wrap is secured and in place, I'm just going to redo my ponytail, make it full, pick it out, make any minor adjustments. And then since I'm going for a 90s vibe, I'm just going to go ahead and add some door knockers. You know, I'm around the way girl, you feel me? But that is about it, you guys. You see how easy that was. That took me no time. And then with this style, feel free to use any wig, any hair texture that you would like. It's just a really quick and easy, lazy hairstyle. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check the description box for more info about this hair, and I'll see you guys next time.